To lock apps with Fingerprint on Xiaomi 17T or 17T Pro, first of all we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings we're gonna scroll down and then you want to go to Apps. Once you open Apps, over here we can choose the App Lock. Now of course we need to turn the App Lock on, and you have the selection of password type. You can either use the same password as you use to unlock your phone by choosing the Screen Lock option, or you can create the privacy protection password, unless you already have it set up for something else. Now in my case I don't have the privacy protection password, so I'm gonna tap on turn on and select it, of course. Then over here we need to set it up, so let's continue. Then you can set up the password for the privacy protection features. You can also tap on other screen lock types in order to choose a different password type. Let's say I'm gonna choose pattern. Then in here we set up the privacy protection password. We need to enter it twice in order to confirm and press OK. You can also attach or assign your Xiaomi account to the privacy protection password, so in case you forget it, you have the option to recover it. In my case, I'm gonna tap on Not Now. Now over here we have some suggestions of apps that we can lock immediately. Of course, if you want to, you can immediately lock these apps. If not, you can tap on them to uncheck them. And then we can use the Use App Lock. Now our fingerprint is not activated just yet, so over here you might see immediately the suggestion to use your fingerprint, so you can tap over here to turn it on, or you can tap on the setting in the upper right corner, and then here we have the fingerprint unlock. We can tap on this switcher to turn it on, and then we need to verify ourselves, so use your fingerprint. Now if you do not have the fingerprint set up on your phone just yet, then you will have to do so first, and then you should be able to set it up. And then of course we can go back to the app lock and you can just simply choose whichever app or which apps should be locked. So after locking a couple of these apps, if I try to open them, so since I locked YouTube, I'm gonna try to open it. And now as you can see, I can use my fingerprint in order to get the access to the app. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.